Hey, this is Cisco coming at you from EBA Automotive here in Allen, Texas. And today's topic is an overheating car or an overheating engine. It can be caused by simple things, a small leak, a cooling fan that is not operating, just simple things like that. The problem is, if we continue to let this engine overheat, that's when the problems start happening. Simply said, an engine has a lot of components that are designed to work under a certain temperature range. Whenever this temperature goes over the range, different things start happening in the engine. Fluids will start to fail, parts will actually start melting and fusing together, and the end result of this is usually an engine replacement. Engine replacements are very expensive, $6,000, $7,000, upwards of $15,000 depending on the car. So recommendation obviously is, if your car or if your engine is overheating, you want to stop. You want to stop as soon as you can and get a professional to look at it.